Hey guys, Ethan here with SouthernStylez Tinting in Wilmington, North Carolina. A common question we get a lot about ceramic coatings is what is it? What does it do? Well, to be very honest with you and to break it down very simply for you, it keeps your vehicle cleaner longer and it makes it easier to clean your vehicle when you go to wash it. A good example I'm going to use here is my personal truck. This is a 12-year-old truck. It was washed a week ago. Today's Monday, so it was washed last Monday. Saturday here in Wilmington, North Carolina, it rained. So obviously when I drove home, I was running through all the oil on the road, the dirt, the mud, all the just your typical just street grime, right? That splatters all up on your paint, makes it look horrible. You're like, I just washed my vehicle a couple of days, and now I wasted my time. Well, with a ceramic coating here, you can see all the dirt just basically falls off. For lack of better terms, it just slides off. And that is the purpose of a ceramic coating. There's no reason to sugarcoat it and make it something that it's not. It does not protect against scratches. It does not protect against swirls. It does not protect against rock chips. That is all the job of PPF or paint protection film. But I'm going to show you my truck here real quick. Like I said, remember it was washed a week ago, and so I've driven it every day for a week, and then it also drove through rain, the dirt on the road, the water puddles, all that stuff got splashed up on the truck, everything like that. And as you can see here, this is the condition of the paint. So I just felt like it was a good video to show you guys to help you see exactly what it is. So as you can see, there's no dirt and mud and grime and all that stuff that would normally be splashed up on it. It's not splashed up on it. You have a very little bit down here, as you can see, but nothing horrible. When you think about these off-road tires kicking mud and dirt and all that grime onto the paint, as you can tell, it stayed very clean. The dirt basically got on it and it just basically, rolled right off of the vehicle. So, like I said, this is a 12-year-old vehicle. So the paint is in very good condition. Obviously, we've done some paint correction to it before we ceramic coated it. But again, Ethan here with SouthernStylez Tinting in Wilmington, North Carolina. If you're looking to have your vehicle ceramic coated or protected with PPF with paint protection film, vinyl wrapped, or have the windows tinted, feel free to reach out to us, 910-742-0579. I'll also drop a link in the description to our contact form so you can shoot us an email, get you a quote, protect your vehicle, make it look good for 2026. Hopefully this video helped explain what ceramic coating does and what it doesn't. I know there's a lot of misinformation out there and a lot of information for you to consume as a consumer, and that's really the gist of it. It makes it easier to clean and it stays cleaner longer, as you can see on my truck. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, if you can like, subscribe, and share it, comment on it, that would be great. Helps us out. Again, SouthernStylez Tinting in Wilmington, North Carolina.